Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony CD player Walkman and is G protection, and the model number is D-EJ775. So it's all because it was the condition is brand new. I just decided to add it to my videos because I'm not very fond of digital sounds, but still this one is in relatively very mint condition, and as you see there are no scratches or something at the bottom. We have the hold button, and here we have the eject, we have the power and headphone with the inline remote, which is good. And then here we have the sound, bass and groove options, and on here we have the menu that you can view the menu on this on the remote control, because inline remote control, because it has the LCD screen. And here we have previews and next, and then the play and stop, and nothing anywhere else but hold button switch at the back. And then when you open it, it's just all is plastic, but is, you see, the mint condition. And here is the switch to turn on and off the G protection and so on. And the battery compartment, it takes 2 AA batteries, which is very good. And then as well as that, it has the power brick, which is 4.5 volts. Let me see, 500 milliamp. So that's all good. And then the headphone that I'm not using is, if you know me, I always try to use a better headphones. For instance, here I have a modified COS video Porta Pro headphone that I put leather sponge on top, and then I modified it in order to accept one of these inline 3.5 millimeter jack cables with the functionality of the inline remote. Anyway, so this one is not really used. And here we have the remote control for this. Let's open this and show you how it functions. And they are the same as the other models for the cassette Walkmans, but this one, it has only a stop button here, and then play and forward, and previous is here, and we have the volume up and down, and then here we have the hold, and then we have a clip here, and that's all she wrote anyhow. So now let's I connect this and demonstrate to you. I'm afraid I don't have any copyright free CDs, but I have a CD just to play. I don't know if you recognize this CD, but just to show you how it works. And let me just get a couple of batteries and come back. Actually, I wanted to use a power adapter in order to just play this and show you the remote and so on. But I thought, okay, I show you one cons of this is that the battery compartment is under the CD. So in order to change the battery, you have to get the CD out. And now we can put the CD in there. It's very small. Look at the size of my hand. And it makes funny noises when it does it. Let me just press play and get it close to the microphone. Did you hear that? And then when you press the next, and then stop, it's really sweet. It's like robotic sound that is doing. And here, if we can see that, because it is not backlit, let me just put the menu. When you press the menu, everything comes here. You see? You see the battery and the counter, and where is this? There are some menus down here. Let me just press the menu here again. Let's see if it comes there. Yeah, it's just at the top. If you see that at the top, each time that you press that, it goes to some sort of levels. It's really difficult to show you because it is not backlit. It has a shuffle function as well. And then with the menu now here, we can just, I guess, change it. Anyway, this video is just about to share with you this CD player that is really cute. It's really small and not very expensive. The price of this unit, it differs, and it varies from £20 up to, you know, £50 if everything is intact with the power brick and the headphone and the inline remote and everything else. Let me just stop this and demonstrate to you the sound that is making. And I don't know, what is this charge? What is this? I don't understand what is that. And this is the back of it. Okay, I don't know, maybe it takes rechargeable batteries, maybe, but here it doesn't say anything about that. Anyhow, I hope you'll enjoy this video, and until my next video, if you have any recommendation, any sort of these videos that you see from Walkmans and, you know, other stuff that I'm making videos, if you have any recommendation, let me know. I see what I can do. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.